Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 20 Pro 5G to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, you need to select Send on TCL and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, select Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, for example. Click on, in my case, Images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!